Hello, my name is Stephen Cox and I'm the Managing Director of Share Navigator. So very quickly today I just want to show you how you can go about practicing buying and selling shares online totally risk-free with monopoly money. So we're going to go to a website called Interactive Brokers. They're one of the biggest online trading providers in the world. We're going to click on Trading and we're going to click on Platform Demos. You're presented with three options here. We're going to select the Web Trader Demo option. This is the easiest one for you to use. So that's going to log in now in one moment, and we're going to be faced with a number of choices here when we actually log into the platform itself. So this is what you're going to see when it opens up. You're going to see market, you're going to see account, options, products, scanner, market pulse, search. We're going to concern you with the first two just for now. And halfway down the screen, you see an order management window. So we're just going to minimize that now for now. So this is just a watch list. These are just stocks that we've put in there that people have been looking at. You can add stocks in by just click on add row and just type in the symbol of whatever stock you want to add in. So some of the stocks you might know here are Intel, Microsoft, Cisco, Bank of Ireland, and on two exchanges, one in the European and one in the US, and the same with Ryanair here, and Apple of course. On the account tab, this shows you the value of the account. So you can see this account is worth close to $500,000 US. So that's just monopoly money. It's a system that enables you to go and practice trading before you actually open up an account for yourself. And if we actually scroll down the screen here, you can see the market value of some of the positions they have, some of the positions in the portfolio. So you can see we've no stocks in this at the moment. We're actually going to go now and buy some shares, and we'll come back to this screen. So we'll click back onto the market tab. And let's say, for example, we wanted to go and buy shares of Apple. So we can do this in two ways. The first way is to open back up the order management window. We click on new order and it's a new stock order. Our action here is to buy. Let's say we wanted to go and buy 50 shares of Apple. And we're going to type in Apple's ticker symbol and hit return. Again, we're going to be presented with three options here. And that's because Apple is not traded just on one exchange, it's traded on a number of exchanges, but we're interested in the NASDAQ. That's one of the major exchanges in the US. And you can see the next tab here is the limit price tab. Now, a limit price is a price that you can dictate to the market how much you're prepared to pay for Apple shares. So even though Apple at the moment, according to this, is trading at 114.75, we may say, well, look, we're only happy to buy this at 100, for example. So if we changed the price in here to 100, you would not get filled in this order until the share price dropped to 100. The other type of order we can use here is the market order. Now a market order is literally where you're saying to your broker, I just want to get the Apple shares at the next available price. In real life, we wouldn't recommend you use this, but because we're trying to demonstrate to you how quickly and easy it is to buy and sell shares in the market, we're going to use it right now. So we're going to select market. Our time in force, TIF, that's what that stands for. You can leave that for as a day order. That means the order will stay for one trading day, or click on GTC. That means it will stay in there for 6 months or until the order gets filled. Okay. The exchange then is our smart routing exchange. This is where Interactive Brokers route this order through to the market maker that's going to give you the best possible price. So that's all the information we need to fill in. We click on preview order and you can see this is like a last chance saloon. Are you sure you want to go and buy 50 Apple shares at the market price, good till cancel, via smart routing? And they're telling you here the amount it's going to cost you. The thing I want to bring to your attention here is the trading commissions. It's only $1 US to buy and sell those shares. Interactive Brokers are one of the most cost-effective online brokers you can use in the world. We have failed to see anybody who can beat them in terms of prices on commissions. So we're happy. We're going to click on submit the order. And what you can see here now is the order has been submitted. And there you can go. You can see straight away we've bought our 50 Apple shares. The order has been filled. And it was filled at the following time. So we're going to go up now back into our account up here. And we're going to actually minimize the order management window and scroll down. So before you would have remembered there was no positions in here. Now we have our 50 Apple shares. We bought them at 114.80 and they're currently worth 114.77. So we want you to imagine now it's 6 months down the line and you want to go and sell your Apple shares, or you want to put in a limit order now to sell them. So we can just click on close. The order management window opens up automatically. So this time we're going to sell 50 Apple shares. We're going to keep our limit price. Let's say we had a target price of Apple of $130. So we're going to agree now to sell our Apple shares at $130. We're going to change the time in force to GTC. We're happy with the smart routing exchange. And we're going to click on preview order. Again, it's a last chance saloon. Are you sure you want to sell your 50 Apple shares at $130? At a limit price of $130, good to cancel via smart routing. Yes, we are. It's telling you roughly how much you're going to get in and how much it's going to cost you in trading commission. So we click on submit order. So that order now, if you want to check, is that order working or has it been fulfilled? You would just go to the order management window, click on orders and see what's in here. And we can see we have a sell order for 50 Apple shares and it's submitted. So that means the order is submitted now to the market. When that gets filled, that will say filled, and then your shares will disappear. So back up to our screen, you can see our shares are still here because we've only agreed to sell them at $130. If we wanted to get rid of them straight away, we would just sell them at the market price. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now for you as well. This time we're going to go back to our order management window, but we're actually going to modify the order. So we're going to modify. It opens up our original order, sell 50 Apple shares at a limit price of $130. So we're going to just change that, let's say, to 114, just to get it to show you what it's like. Preview modified order. Are you sure you want to sell your 50 Apple shares at 114? We're going to click on submit. And you can see now it's actually being filled. So when we go back to our account window, you're going to see all our positions are gone here now. So that's how easy it is for you to go and buy and sell shares online. I would advise you to go to the demo system with Interactive Brokers, practice to your heart's content, and then when you're comfortable with that, then you can go and open up your own online trading accounts. Thank you and bye for now. If you have any further questions, just contact sharenavigator.ie.